Hello guys, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today I was craving mac and cheese, and because I'm vegan and I can't have cheese, I had to think of a way to make my favorite dish. So please stay tuned. I really think it's gonna come out just the way I want it to. Come on, let's go to my kitchen.
1 cup of almond cheese, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. I chopped up 1 garlic clove, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 cup of almond milk. I pre-cooked the pasta early on, so save us a little bit of time. So I have pre-cooked a medium potato and a medium carrot. And here we're going to combine all the ingredients that I introduced at the beginning with a tablespoon of butter. Who knew that potatoes and carrots can make a nice sauce for mac and cheese? I think it's going to come out pretty good. We're going to blend everything together in the bullet. Yes, the king of the kitchen. We're going to pour a little bit, maybe less than half, over top of the mac and cheese. I like to make sure that every noodle is coated. And I am using the veggie mac and cheese from Trader Joe's. So here we're going to put some in the already greased pan with vegan butter. And we're going to layer some almond cheese on top and then add the top of the layer. And pour the rest of the sauce on top. We're going to place it in the oven for about 40 minutes. I say between 35 and 40 minutes on 375. Put the rest of the cheese on top. We're going to put it back in the oven for about another 5 or 6 minutes just to get it to brown the cheese on top. Be careful, it's hot in there.
So delicious. Look at that. Oh my God, it's creamy. Okay guys, this veggie mac and cheese is serving up creaminess. It's serving up cheesy. The potatoes and the carrots work so well together. It combined everything together, and it is, let's just see. Okay, I'm sorry, one more bite. I'm taking it all in because this really has placed an amazing substitute of the real mac and cheese. Everything that I crave in a real mac and cheese is right here. I'm telling you, it's perfect, guys. I tell you what, make this recipe. Leave me a comment down below. Tag me in it wherever you're gonna put it at. And tell me what you think about this, because this is good. Thank y'all so much for stopping by Vegan with Soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And oh yeah, hit that notification bell so you know the next time I post. Thank you.